17 September is World Cleanup Day, a global effort to reduce litter and waste pollution on our environment. In observance of this day, Namibians are encouraged to take part and join in cleanup activities arranged countrywide with regional councils. Alternatively, individuals, organizations, as well as institutions are encouraged to mobilize themselves to clean up their immediate surroundings. For more details and to know how you can take part, contact the regional councils near you or call the ministry's PR office at 0811 407844 or email romeo.muyunda@meft.gov.na.